Building a healthy and balanced diet. Use the healthy eating plate as a guide for creating healthy, balanced meals. 1. Make most of your meal vegetables and fruits 1/2 of your plate. Aim for color and variety, and remember that potatoes don't count as vegetables on the healthy eating plate because of their negative impact on blood sugar. 2. Whole and intact grains, whole wheat, barley, wheat berries, quinoa, oats, brown rice, and foods made with them, such as whole wheat pasta, have a milder effect on blood sugar and insulin than white bread, white rice, and other refined grains. 3. Protein power 1/4 of your plate. Beans and nuts are all healthy, versatile protein sources. They can be mixed into salads, and pair well with vegetables on a plate. Red meat, and avoid processed meats such as bacon and sausage. 4. Healthy plant oils, in moderation. Choose healthy vegetable oils like olive, canola, soy, corn, sunflower, peanut, and others, and avoid partially hydrogenated oils, which contain unhealthy trans fats. Remember that low fat does not mean healthy. 5. Drink water, coffee, or tea. Skip sugary drinks, limit milk and dairy products to 1 to 2 servings per day, and limit juice to a small glass per day. 6. Stay active. The red figure running across the healthy eating plate's placemat is a reminder that staying active is also important in weight control. So guys, these are the simple tips to maintaining diet. I hope these tips are helpful for you. Some of these tips will help you keep your portion sizes reasonable, while others will help you add nutrients or adapt to something new. Together, they'll have a big impact on making your overall diet healthier and more sustainable, without a huge change in your habits.